Hello friends, in this video tutorial we discuss how to create the class in Java using Eclipse IDE. Let's see with practical. First I click on the file and then new. Take a Java project. A dialog box displayed here and simply you need to write your project name, and I am giving my project name as a first class demo, and look here, use a project specific JRE and JDK 1.8. Install the JDK 1.8 in my machine, so I'm select here the JDK 1.8. According to your JDK you select here and click on the next. Project first class demo and src folder. This is the source and the default output folder is bean, and then click on the finish. Okay, my project displayed under the package explorer, and simply explore my project and then right click on the src. A pop-up menu displayed here and simply click on the new and take a class. You simply need here to write your class name, and I am giving my class name as class 1, and the modifier is public. Look here, means my class should be public here. And which method stub would you like to create? I am simply check the public static void main method. After checking this main method, this stub, the main method automatically created within your class with the help of Eclipse, and then click on the finish. Look here, this is the public modifier. Class is the keyword. Class 1 is the name of your class, and this is the main method. In my previous lecture, I explained very well about the main method. So if you have any doubt, then you watch my previous video and simply press enter. And I want to create a method public void show, and press enter and write here system dot out dot println, and I have to write here the simply this is my first class program. Okay, and save it. Look here, this is the method. I am giving here the access modifier as a public, return type as a void, and method name as a show. I am not giving any parameter to the method. Open here method and close here curly bracket system.out.println. With the help of this statement, I am simply print the message this is my first class program, and I want to call this so method into the main method. You well known about that. This is the starting point for the compiler, so every method should be called in the main method. So for calling the so method, you need to create the object of the class. So first I teach you how to create the object of the class. Simply write here the class 1 class name, and then obj object name new, and then class 1 and then bracket. This is the way. Write simply the class name and then object name. It is not necessary to write obj, you can write any name. This is the identifier, so you can give your object name to any name, and new and then class 1 and then bracket. This is the constructor calling here, and we will discuss about the constructor in later video session. Press enter. With the help of object, using the dot and call the show method and save it. Okay, look here, I am calling here the show method of the class 1 within the main method. When you run the program, then the show method call within the main method and print the message, this is my first class program. So I want to run my program, I right click and then run it and Java application. Look here, this is the console. This is my first class program. Display the message onto the console. And I want to take another class within my project. So I simply right click on the src again and then click on the new and take another class 1, and here I need to write my class name, and simply I am giving my class name as a student. And which method stub would you like to create? Public static void main. I don't have need to check this or check this stub because I have already main method in my project, so I don't have need, and simply I click on the finish. My student class created here and then press enter. Okay, I want to create a method, two methods, set name and get name. The set name method simply set the name of the student, and get name method simply return the name of the student. Okay, and simply I am declaring here a variable name, and you don't have need to write any code, simply you select it and go to source, select the generate getter and setter methods. Look here and select, check this name get and set name automatically created by the Eclipse, and access modifier as a public, and then click on the OK. Look here, public, the return type of method is string. Get name is the method that return the name, and look here, public is the access modifier, return type void, set name, and passing here the argument as a name, and this name assigned to the class variable name as a name. And save it. This is the very easy way to create the getter and setter method into a Java class. You can write any variable and then go to source and generate getter and setter. You don't have need to write any code. Okay, and I want to call the get name and set name method into the class 1. So first we need to create the object of the student class. So I am simply creating the object of the student class as a st constructor here, and the student class object is st, and simply with the help of st I have to call the set name, and here I need to give the name as argument. So I am giving here the Abhishek as a argument value, and this Abhishek, look here, store into this name variable, and this name variable is stored into the this name variable, and using this name variable we return the name with the help of getName. So I come here and creating here a variable string name equal st dot getName and st dot getName terminated with semicolon. Look here, the getName return the name of a student and I have to store that name into the name variable and then press enter, and here I am using the system dot out dot println and simply I am giving you the name, passing as argument as a name. The name variable is to store the name of the student and display with the help of this statement, and then save it and run it. Look here, the show method simply display the this is my first class program, and with the help of set name and get name we display the Abhishek onto the console. You have a very simple way. Simply you come to a student and you make any method here, like I want to create a method public int sum. You don't have need to write here sum, you can directly write here the void and simply write here the mark, and you take the mark and S1 and press enter. Write here system dot out dot println and directly I have to print the S1. You simply write here the mark and then plus for concatenation, and I want to call the mark into the class 1 main method. Press enter and simply I call st dot mark. Press enter and simply I am giving here the 12 as a mark and save it. Look here, I am passing here the 12 as a mark as argument. This 12 value stored into the S1. With the help of system.out.println we can print the value of S1. Okay, and come here and save it and run it. Okay, look here, show method, due to show method calling here this print the this is my first class program. With the help of get and set method we are able to display this Abhishek and mark 12 with the help of mark method. So you can write any method in your class, create your object of the class and call in the main method. Thank you friends, please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot.